Whoa, what is this? This bike right here is the new YOZMA Killer. This bike has a 3,000 watt peak brushless motor and a 3-speed mode, tapping out at 42 miles per hour. Alright, let's unbox this. What's inside? Whoa, what is this? A ski mask? What is, oh, this is a charger. Alright, what is this? The toolkit, we got toolkits. We got some gloves. And we got a front number plate. Alright, let's unbox this. I'm gonna be wearing the ski mask so no one sees my face. Oh, look at the screen. The screen is the best. It has a bag so it doesn't get damaged. That's pretty cool feature. Basically what it came for in the box. We got some toolkits. We got a number plate. We got some charger, a glove, a screen that looks like an iPhone, the manual, a professional bicycle light, and I don't know what this is. Alright.
Wait, what?
This thing out. Whoa. Look at that bike. Got a key ignition, the seat, and the forks. Alright. Got the cover. Dang. That's beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna take out the bike. Whoa, look at the tire. Look at how big this is. It's huge. And it's heavy. How do we get this out? Look at that smooth freaking seat. We got a handlebar right here. Stop. Alright guys, I just finished building it and look what we have. We got hydraulic brakes, a kill switch. So if you put a kill switch on, the throttle doesn't work. We got a beautiful key ignition, a beautiful screen. It looks like an iPhone. We got some headlight. And there's lots of modes for it. And we got these very good knobby tires and with this adjustable shock. This is what the bike looks like right now. We got foldable foot pegs. A shut down emergency shut off. So if you turn that off, the whole bike just turns off completely. We got 3 modes. There's 1, 2, and 3. We also got this charger. That's what it looks like, and it just closes like that. We've also got gloves for it. It came with it in the package. They fit me very perfect. And lastly, in the package, we also got a charger. It's like this big. I'm gonna turn on the bike for you guys so you can see. This is what it looks like. So right now, it's on park, and how we can change that is we press the right or left brake, and it just it gets removed, and you can like move it, see? And this is first mode. This is second mode. This is third mode. And that's how you turn it off. One thing about this bike is I just love the frame. It's very strong, and I haven't removed the stickers yet, but it actually is like this. It's like this color. I'm gonna be removing the stickers later on the video. In mode 1, this bike goes at about 15 miles per hour. Second mode, it goes 21 miles per hour. And Third mode, it goes 42 miles per hour. This bike has a 3,000 watt peak watt motor. And I love the front plate. It looks very good. In the next video, we're going to be showing you how we're going to ride this bike. And also, I'm going to be showing how fast this bike really goes. And we're just going to show Mode 1 and Mode 2 and Mode 3. I also forgot to mention, this bike weighs 123 pounds. Which is like very heavy for a bike like this compared to a 2DO, a YOZMA, and other bikes like this. So it's gonna be very challenging for like lifting it up if you need to upgrade the tires or anything like that. This bike also has a 48 volt brushless motor. I also forgot to mention, this bike has a 50 miles of range, which is very, very good for bikes like this. And like compared to the YOZMA has way less range in this, and I think this is a good bike for you guys if you want more range. It takes about 10 to 12 hours to fully charge this bike, which is insane, but it's worth it. This is basically the YOZMA Killer. It's way faster, has more range, better brakes on both sides, and has a very good LCD display. Anyways, guys, in the next video, we're going to be showing the top speed on this bike, and we're going to see how durable this bike is, and we're going to be testing the brakes, how fast it goes, and we're going to brake fully. And yeah, please subscribe, and we're going to be posting more videos soon.